I'm officially in the Bahamas. Security was super easy to get off. You give them your card. You need to get off with your ID and your little blue card that they give you. And then you get back on with that. I don't need to bring my birth certificate or anything for this, or your passport. If you are staying, because this ferry does act like this ship acts like a ferry sometimes, so people come and they'll stay for a few days. So if you're cruise and stay, then you do need to make sure to get that. Make sure to have your passport with you, and then you can stay as long as you want. I met a lady staying 5 days at one of the resorts. Start your trip with the first and last stop cocktail, Mike's. I got off a little bit later than I think a lot of people did, but it's still a little crazy. I'm gonna try to head over to Taino Beach, and it's only $14, and that's round trip. I'm here at Pirates Cove in Taino Beach on Grand Bahamas, and it was $14 for the taxi to get here, and then at the Pirates Cove zipline and water park, it's $16 to get in. I had to pay cash for the taxi. I was actually able to tap to pay for entry, which I was glad for because everything else I did not have enough cash. But I get a complimentary drink with that and a water slide. So let's go explore. Blackbeard's Tree Bar. We will definitely be stopping by there to get our punch later. A little retail shop. A couple retail shops. There's a wood carver. There's a zip line tour. We're right on the beach. Look at that. Jack Sparrow's Grill Pit. Island Boy Raleigh's. If you're wondering how much things are, there's the cost. There's a kids' play area here. There's a little pool. Here's another bar and restaurant. Place is really chill right now. There's not a ton of people here. Plenty of places to kind of get off by yourself. Giant inflatable slide. Look at these panthers. Swings. You think they'll hold me? So I'm on it, but I'm not comfortable putting my weight on it because it feels like it's going to pull down. I don't want to break something. You can get a massage. So these prices are really good. Yeah, I was just looking at the prices. So definitely recommend stopping by here. I ended up doing 25 minutes for the leg and foot massage, and I feel amazing right now. Now for 25 minutes is $35. For 30 minutes is $55. That extra 5 minutes for $20 does not make sense. Y'all, apparently I made a scene last night at the show because I now have multiple people come up to me and tell me that they were having a lot of fun watching me in the audience. I was like, I was into it. I didn't know I was that into it. That's crazy. Got a very, very light rain happening right now, which is nice because it was really hot there, but I'm enjoying this. If it stays like this is perfect. You know, right after I said that, it started pouring. That's on me. I assume that is the punch I'm about to get. It tastes like orange juice. Maybe there's some vodka in there. I don't know. It's very juice. I'm here for it. Came with the entry. Mango rum, peach schnapps, and dark rum with pineapple and orange juice. Just so you know, I checked the zip line and it's a 264-pound weight limit. So if you're under that, you can do the zip line. Okay, so I realized that because I didn't do the kayaks, paddle boats, etc. for 15 minutes, I got the free drink. So if you don't do any of that, you get the free drink, just so you know. they have tug-of-war set up. So I realized that's what they were calling the water slide. I did not realize that. Okay, so I got the conch fritters with fries, and I got plantains. I added hot sauce to the conch. This was $18 and $2, and I added a $2 tip. Y'all, this water is cold, but I am standing in the water in the Bahamas. I'm not getting in, but this is nice. I want to take a minute and say thank you to all of you guys that support and watch these videos. You know, there's still some things that I have irrational fears about, partially coming from my size, and I know you guys do too, and that's why I come do these things like cruises, which is this has been amazing to do all this stuff at, you know, theme parks and try to help you guys avoid potential embarrassment while sometimes suffering through it myself. So just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for the Patreons. Thank you for liking and commenting and all the stuff you guys do to help make these channels successful. It's so appreciated. And if you've not subscribed and turned on notifications yet, please do. But if you're here, make sure to come to Pirates Cove. I have to say, I've only been here a short time, but Pirates Cove is definitely worth the cost. I think it's quite a bit cheaper than other excursions. There's a lot of add-ons you can do when you're here if you would like. I didn't do a ton. I don't want to do a ton today, but I had so much fun. I'm joining a beer chugging competition and I hate beer. I got replaced. Not a big deal. I don't like beer.
No, not around the bear, too. 6 times. Let's go. Let's go. Totally have to do it fast. Winner. Here's the winner over here.
Just about to head out of Pirates Cove, and I wanted to go over what the current prices are, at least right now. So there's some different things. The snorkel gear is actually pretty cheap, so that's great. Chairs are very expensive here. Just made it back to the ship. By the way, it's about 20 minutes over to Pirates Cove. And you know what? I might get a coconut drink before I get back on the ship. But lots of shops here. So if you want to bring some stuff home, you can definitely shop here a little bit. Even if you don't want to go into town, though I definitely think it was worth it. So I decided to stop and get the coconut drink. It is very coconut forward. If you don't like coconut, you're not gonna like this. It's very tasty. By the way, if you're looking to go on a cruise, whether it's Margaritaville at sea or elsewhere, please contact me. As I've mentioned in my other videos about this cruise, I've decided to become a travel agent. I'm going to be helping people plan their cruises, book their cruises, book some other stuff as well, but with a focus on this. And you know, I'm going to be going on a lot more of these. And if you're interested in joining me on that journey, supporting a new business venture, please give me a call and let's start booking your cruises.